Welcome to Tungu Kids! Wow! Look at this amazing rainbow factory! The rainbow doors are opening! Hello, Rainbow Robot! We are ready for a color adventure! Wow, so many beautiful colors! Pop the colorful bubbles! Let's ride through the color factory! Look at the giant color mixer! Red color is ready! Yellow color is ready too! Blue color is ready! Let's make a rainbow! Wow! We made a beautiful rainbow! Rainbow colors everywhere! All aboard the rainbow train! Look at the colorful waterfall! Making giant crayons is fun! These stars are so beautiful! Let's create a rainbow playground! Look at all the rainbow balloons! Let's dance with all our friends! The Rainbow Factory is magical! A giant rainbow! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you next time! Learn and have fun!